What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today Self with Kurt presenting a new video about growing beard naturally. Do you want to grow beard but you can't? Then this video is for you. In this video I will show you how to grow beard faster naturally. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self with Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, how to grow beard faster naturally. In many cultures around the world, a symbol of power is a thick and rugged beard. Growing a moustache or a full beard does take some determination and patience, especially since the growth rate will depend on your individual testosterone level and genetics. First suggestion, taking care of your body. The reason why it is so important to take care of the body is because your facial hair condition is in direct relation to the health of the body. Start by eating more foods that are rich in proteins like beans, eggs, and fish. Committing to the process. One of the reasons many struggle to grow a beard quickly is they often give up just at the point where progress is being made. When you are trying to grow that beard quickly, there is going to come a period where the skin will become itchy to the point you are scratching your beard day and night. Minerals and vitamins. You can help your beard grow faster by adding your diet with the appropriate minerals and vitamins. Talk with your physician about taking at least 2 mg of biotin each day. This supplement is available in health food and vitamin stores. Leaving the beard alone. During the first month of trying to grow your beard, you are going to find it looks like a wild forest growing on your face. This is when you are going to want to trim it up and start shaping it to look cleaner. As difficult as it will be during these first few weeks, you have to resist the urge to do any grooming whatsoever on of the hair. Working with your beard. One of the things that you need to understand in your effort to grow a beard quickly is that the facial hair is not like the hair on your head. When you start growing your beard, the hair simply will not fill in every single spot on the face where the beard will be. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.